Hey guys, Laura Spaulding here, talking about personal finance, business, and real estate. I'm going to show you how to get riches in the niches. Hey guys, so we're at my newest purchased property that is another extreme hoarder property. We're going to call this the LakeHouse. There's a nice lake on the back of this house. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house that an elderly lady lived in for over 30 years. And her dog was elderly as well, had incontinence, and the house is in horrible shape. This is going to be a massive rehab. I'm going to do a little bit of changing of the floor plan as well. But the bad part is there's a good about 25% of the house that I couldn't even get into. So I can't even tell you what I'm going to do with those areas because I couldn't get into the master bathroom. I couldn't get into the back bedrooms. So I'm looking forward to being able to see it after we get all this trash out. Hey guys, we are back here for an update on the LakeHouse rehab that we're doing. And we had about 7 dumpsters. We're on our 8th now. This was a massive hoard, and it's about a 1,900 square foot house. Obviously the landscaping is last. We're not gonna do that yet. But we had to make some stucco repair here because we had to put a custom fit door in. So the really cool thing about this project is I was able to open this up. You can actually see where the old wall used to be on the floor here that really closed up this house and made it, you know, really sheltered off, because this is a living room. So now it's one giant room here. I replumbed it for a big island. And then by opening this up, we've increased our living room space. And we have a great view out here to the lake. So in this kitchen, I removed that old dingy fireplace that was there, and instead of replacing it, I'm gonna put in some really cool built-ins and suspend a TV up there. There's gonna be an 8-foot island where I'm standing, sink right here, and then an entire wall of cabinets, pull-out pantry, and some new appliances. So we're gonna have a really open concept experience here for social gatherings and stuff. And then what I did is I took this from a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and I made it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, so follow me. So this used to be one giant bedroom. So we were able to split it up and make good sized bedrooms out of both. It's about 11 by 12 in here. I added a closet on this side to make it a true bedroom. And then the next room already had the closet for the existing bedroom that it was. So we were able to create a really cool space. And then we still have another one over there that someone can use for an office or maybe an extra kid. This was this old dingy bathroom. So what we did is we kind of closed this off. We moved the electrical inside. We've got all new plumbing here for a tub shower combo, new electrical, new central air. Vanity goes here, and then you still have a cool closet right there and a toilet right here. And then you have this cool door that still goes out to the backyard, which there's plenty of room for a pool, but it's right in front of the lake here. So there was a super old dingy lanai area that was just collapsing off the roof here. So what we did is we removed all this. We're gonna get all this landscaping cleared out and we'll build a nice new lanai here that matches these beautiful white sliding glass doors off of both the living room and the master bedroom. The master bedroom, we changed some stuff too. Come on. So what I decided to do in this master bedroom was create a really nice, peaceful master ensuite. The shower area was super small. So what I did is I moved the wall back a little bit and decreased the size of the walk-in closet, but I have the shower space, plenty of room for a double vanity, and we're gonna put a cool barn door right there. Slide that open. So it's a pretty awesome space. New drywall here. So we added a brand new AC. The air handler's not in yet, but when we took all the drywall off, we really found that the rats had eaten through the plenums and the trunk lines. So good thing that we got rid of all that. It's brand new ductwork. Everything is gonna be super new. We even plumbed for washer and dryer to go out here. And then all new drywall will go in the ceiling as well, and these floors will have a really cool like epoxy garage concept here to make it look super nice. So this house is supposed to be done in a few short days. This was a huge transformation, great profit, great turnaround, and I'm happy to get this house on the market for the next family. Hey guys, today is the big reveal of the lake house. We're finally done with this house and it is officially on the market.